If you can deal with the over 10,000 matatu operators, how about one company? For how long should they continue? For how long should they continue operating on our streets, and rather on our roads here, without paying? Since March. Since March. Unless there are strong reasons why we should not give a directive that the executive director recovers this money within a week.
As I said, it is not 2.4 billion as KCCA put it. Each bus has to pay 300,000 per month. We have 100 buses in operation now. We have spent 8 months. If you do the maths, it is 240 million and not 2.4 billion as KCCA puts it.